In the realm where myths danced with reality, three formidable guardians stood watch: Denmark, Archie, and Dromel. Denmark, a stalwart warrior with his mighty hammer, safeguarded the north. His strength was matched only by his unwavering dedication to his people. From the highest peak to the deepest valleys, he patrolled the lands, ensuring safety and security for all. Archie, the mystical enchanter of the East, wielded the elements with finesse. His magic flowed like the rivers and soared like the wind, nurturing life wherever it touched. He whispered to the trees, danced with the flames, and cradled the earth in her gentle embrace. Rumil, the wise wanderer of the West, traversed the vast landscape in search of knowledge. With his silver sword at his side and ancient tomes in hand, he delved into the secrets of the universe, from forgotten ruins to hidden libraries. He sought to uncover the truths that lay buried beneath the sands of time. When a shadow of darkness threatened to consume the realm, the three guardians united as one. Denmark led the charge, his hammer striking through against the encroaching darkness. Archie conjured storms and tempests, his magic cleansing the land of corruption. And Dromil, with his keen insight and wisdom, guided their path, illuminating the way forward. Together, they faced the darkness head-on, their spirits intertwined in a dance of bravery and unity. Through battles fierce and trials daunting, they fought with courage and determination, refusing to yield to the ever-looming threat. And in the end, their efforts bore fruit. The darkness was banished to the depths from whence it came. Peace once again graced the realm, thanks to the unwavering dedication of Denmark, the boundless magic of Archie, and the timeless wisdom of Romil. And so, the three guardians continued to their watchful vigil, standing as beacons of hope in a world filled with uncertainty. For as long as they stood united, the realm would know peace, guided by the light of their courage, magic, and wisdom.